Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile PIN on your iPad so you can access your account or make changes without any issues. If you've forgotten your T-Mobile PIN or keep getting incorrect PIN errors when trying to manage your account on your iPad, it's usually because of outdated saved credentials, a recent SIM change, or a forgotten custom PIN. You might notice that you can't log in, update your account settings, or enable mobile data features. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to reset your PIN quickly and regain full access to your T-Mobile services on your iPad. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app or website. Launch the T-Mobile app on your iPad or go to my.tmobile.com in a browser. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with your iPad SIM card. Step 2. Go to Profile or Account Settings. Tap Account or Profile in the app menu. Then select Security Settings or PIN and Password. This is where your current T-Mobile PIN settings are stored. Step 3. Select Reset PIN. Tap Reset PIN. You'll be asked to verify your identity, either via a text message, email, or security questions linked to your account. Make sure your iPad has a stable internet connection or the verification code might not arrive. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone or email for the verification code. Enter it in the app or website to confirm your identity. Step 5. Create a new PIN. Now, set a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Choose a number you'll remember, but that isn't easy to guess. Avoid obvious sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4 or your birthday. It keeps your account more secure. Step 6. Confirm and save. Confirm the new PIN and save it. Your T-Mobile PIN on your iPad is now updated and ready to use on your iPad. Important notes. Don't share your PIN with anyone to protect your account. Keep your recovery options, phone number or email, updated to receive verification codes easily. If you enter the wrong PIN multiple times, your account may temporarily lock, so wait a few minutes before trying again. And that's it. Your T-Mobile PIN on your iPad should now be reset successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick T-Mobile tips and guides.